Hey everybody, today is an exciting day for me and also a little bit nervous day. This is my trunk liner carpet that's going on the walls of my camper. And this is where I'm going to install it right here. I'm just going to do this small section just to try it out. We still have some water coming in different places of the camper. I've had water come in here and I've had water come in back in that corner. And water coming back in that corner. So until I get with someone to find out where those leaks are, I'm not going to be putting any wall covering on there. But I'm just dying to see what it's gonna look like. So I decided I'm gonna do this section because there has not been any water in that side. So let's get to it. Okay, I've got my N95 mask on. I've got ventilation behind me. This is what I'm using. It's heavy duty, so it will hold up to the heat. I've got plastic lining where I don't want the spray to go. And let's get it started. First thing I have to do is spray this on the wall and then leave it sit for 5 minutes. While that's sitting, I'll spray it on the piece I've cut of the trunk liner carpet. And then they both have to sit for at least 5 minutes to get tackiness. And then I'll stick them together. This is what it looks like. I've let it sit outside for 5 to 10 minutes. And now the messy part, I'm going to try to get it up on the wall here. I'm sure it's all going to, look, it's sticking to itself already. I'm sure it's going to stick to the plastic. And we have a problem. It has stuck to itself too much. I might be able to save it. This adhesive is super strong. This carpet is like, it's just like felt really, more than carpet. And it's stretchy. So it's stretching as I pull it apart. You can see where that's all stuck together. Real life, guys. It's not always easy and perfect. Oh, what a mess. I may start over. I'm not sure I can get this apart. See, as I'm pulling this apart, it's sticking over here where my hand is. So I think I'm going to start over and do this a different way. So I've cut a new piece, and the way I was trying to do that is the way I did the Reflectix, and it worked because the Reflectix stayed flat. This is folding over on itself. So what I'm going to do is put it against the wall at the bottom and spray some on the fabric. Just a little bit at the bottom, and then I'll work my way up as I do that, spraying it as I go up. Hopefully that'll work better. Because it wasn't cheap. And I don't want to waste it. Okay, I'm going to show you what I had to do. At the top, I would spray about that far down. That's it. Go outside, let that dry for 5 minutes to get tacky. Then I come in and I push it up a little bit at a time. So you can see I've got it pretty smooth. There's a spot at the bottom I need to fix, and over here has to be trimmed. But this is how I'm doing it, just a little bit at a time. So in the directions for the spray, it says to apply even pressure. And on Facebook, on one of the groups for this type of camper, they suggested using a clean roller and push it hard. And that gives it the even pressure that you need. So that's what I'm doing. Okay guys, that section is all finished. Hopefully the lighting is good, you can see. Now you see right there, I got some adhesive on the carpet / felt. And I am going to work on getting that off as soon as it dries. I don't have anything with me to get it off. So I'm going to take a piece home that has it on it from the part I messed up and try some goof off and see if that works. I just want to try it on a scrap first. And I'm sure I'll be able to get it off. I just have to find the right product. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. So that's how it looks. And it matches the fabric pretty well. I was able to get all of the adhesive off. I pulled it out just a tiny bit, and then I used my tiny, you can see how small they are, my little embroidery scissors, and it cut right off. And you can't even tell. All done, that section.